Hey guys, been a busy week. Sorry for the late upload for this week. Been pretty occupied, pretty eventful week, but yeah, just didn't have much time to work on this video, but I still wanted to put something out. So here's a quick update video while I'm parked at the train station before going to work. So last video I talked about how what are the features we were gonna add to the Notion template. So this week I actually managed to build everything out and even put it up for sale on Gumroad. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the details and go through every feature on the Notion template, but if y'all are interested and you think this is something that may help you, I have the link to the product in the description or maybe the pinned comment. You guys can check it out, and in the product description there is a walkthrough video. I explain how to use the template effectively for your workflow. I'm calling it the publish pipeline because basically a pipeline from ideas to upload, all managed through Notion. So this is something that y'all are interested in. Check it out, let me know. If y'all do purchase it, also let me know. That would be great. It would be great. Anyways, just talking about the process of making it, honestly it's been pretty good, pretty smooth. I think it's been smooth because I've done this before, so I think I haven't made a video about it if I want to check it out, of my first Notion template to manage the content workflow. And since I've already done one, doing this one was much faster. And also this new publish pipeline is actually a simpler version designed for new creators, right? So it's pretty simple. So the whole process was much quicker. Once the template was done, next step was putting it up for sale. I chose Gumroad because there are a lot of digital products there, so the site itself was designed to be able to sell digital products, which made it easier. And the selling process was quite quick as well, so I just had to create a Gumroad account and then I had to create a Stripe account for payment purposes, and then it was just a matter of putting descriptions and also creating some product thumbnails, which I just used Canva, and then the descriptions and all the other copy that I had to put on the product, I just used ChatGPT and then I just tweaked things that I felt needed some tweaking. So overall the process was quite quick, but if you have any feedback on that, also let me know, right? The link is down there, just check it out. Don't have to, not forcing you all to buy it, but if you think it's helpful, give your homie some support. So yeah, I think just a quick update. As for future videos related to this product, I don't think I'll do one every week, because after this it's more of marketing, and I think I want to test a few marketing strategies. So what I plan to do is maybe do either a bi-weekly or a monthly update and just share with you guys what worked and what doesn't work. I think that would be more useful rather than doing a video every week on this. So the next video may not be related to Project Freedom. It will just be maybe something else I'm doing next weekend, which I don't know yet, but yeah, let's see. So hope you all have a great one. Catch you on the next one. Peace.